Hello, welcome to Uncle Salo's problem solving classroom again. Let's do further exercises on perimeter and area. Okay, this is a little different from what we've been doing. In the past, we've been giving the perimeter and the side of a rectangle, and then we figure out the area from it. Or we are giving area and a side, and we figure out the perimeter. Okay, this problem here, we don't have the sides. Okay, when you have the sides of any geometric figure, the sides like the length or the width, we call it the dimensions. Okay, the dimensions. So if you are asked to find the dimensions of a rectangle, that means find the length and the width. Okay, so here's a question here. All right, we've told a rectangular room has a perimeter of 26 meters and an area of 40 meters square. What are the dimensions? What does that mean? Dimension, that means you are asked to find the length and the width. Okay, so you remember previous problems, you are given either the width or the length combined with either the perimeter or the area, and you use that to solve a problem. Here, you don't have the length nor the width. You're given perimeter and area. You have to find that. Okay, how do we do that? This is a little different, okay? We're going to suppose, okay, we're going to make a table. We're going to suppose the length and the area are certain numbers and we work with it. Okay, solution. Okay, go to the final part of the question like I tell you to do. What are the dimensions? So work from there, okay? Draw a picture of it. Say, so you draw a rectangle, length, width, label it. This means you've been asked to find the length and the width. Let's see. Okay, we've been given perimeter and area. Okay, perimeter is what? We add the length, and then we add the width, and then we add the length again, and then we add the width again. So guess what? We add the length twice. So we have twice the length. See that? And then twice the width. That's another formula for perimeter. So if you're asked to find a perimeter, okay, like this rectangle here, you can do 7 plus 5 plus 7 again plus 5. Okay, that gives you what? The 24. Or you can say it is twice the length, so 2 times 7, 14, plus twice the width, 2 times 5, 10. Okay, that's another way you can do it. That is 24 too. Or you can say, I'm going to add the length to the width. After that, I will multiply by 2. So you can say 7 plus 5 is 12. And after that, I multiply by 2 and I get 24. So these are three ways you can do your perimeter. So your perimeter is what? The length plus the width. After that, you multiply by 2. And area is length times width, right? Okay, here. What have we been told? Perimeter is 26. The area is 40. How do I figure out the dimensions? The area is 40. Let me work from there. That means I need two numbers that multiply to get me 40, right? Okay. And here are some options. Oh, okay, I forgot about one option. 1 times 40 equals 40. So these are all possible options. The width can be 1, the length is 40, the width can be 2, the length is 20, the width can be 4, the length is 10, the width can be 5, the length is 8. All these are possibilities. Okay, so we have to work from there. Okay, now only one, only one of these options will give us the perimeter of 26. Okay, so how do we find the perimeter? If we start from the top, perimeter is what? Add the length to the width, multiply by 2. And it should get us 26. It should get us 26. Otherwise, it's not the right. So let's start from the top. 1 plus 40 is 41, right? 1 plus 40. So here, 1 times 40 gives us 40. And then here, 2 times 1 plus 40 it gives us what? 80, 82. So that's not correct. What about here? 2 times 20 equals 40. And then the perimeter is, if we add 2 to the 20, which is 22, and multiply by 2, what do we get? We get 44. You see what I'm doing? So that's not it, because we're looking for, this should be 40 and this should be 26. So that's not it. What about 4 and 10? 4 times 10 equals 40, right? What about the perimeter? I say perimeter is add the length and the width. 4 plus 10 multiplied by 2. 4 plus 10 is 14. 14 times 2 is 28. That's not it. Okay, finally, we have 5 times 8 is 40. And then 2 parentheses, what is 5 plus 8? Is 13. 2 times 13 is 26. Voila! That is what we are looking for. 5 times 8. So now you come and respond. Dimensions of the room. Okay, the length is 8 meters, the longer side, 8 meters, and the width is 5 meters. Problem solved. Okay, so go over this, listen to the video again. Okay, pause it, then do this without looking at what I've done. Do this on your own to see if you get this answer. And then after that, come and try this problem right here. I have a room, the perimeter is 22, the area is what? 28 meters square. What are the dimensions of the room? Okay. And pause the video, do it. Did you get this? Good job. Okay. Keep it up. And I think I have your IXL practice here for you. I need you to go and practice 4th grade AA 12 to AA 14. All right. Keep on practicing, and all things being equal, what? You shall bloom, you shall fly, and you become the best in what you do. Have a great day. Bye bye.